Ipakita namin ngayon. Pag pinag-ulit namin kayo, hindi na kami pwedeng nakialam. Handa na ba kayo?
In 1990, the ROTC unit was activated and transferred to the Home Defense Training Unit, or HDTU, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, with an objective to prepare college students for possible service in the defense establishment in the event of emergency and to train officer enlisted reservists for the AFP Reserve Component.
May you bless the inspectors with wisdom in making fair and rightful decisions.
As cadets, you are expected to perform well, for you are the frontliners in the risk reduction program of our government. The duties and responsibilities given to you are without boundaries, especially in times of disasters, for you can be called anytime to serve the people, young and old, and save lives in the most affected areas. You are the heroes of the modern times, and people look at you as their savior. We hope that you will live up to the expectations of what a young soldier, which is to be of service to everyone in times of calamities, chaos, and difficulties.
Forward arms. Forward arms. Keeps the order from the passing movement.
Na matututunan dito sa training na ito. Kung hindi natin isa sa puso ang training na ito, baka dumating ang pagkakataon na kapag tayo ay tinawag sa anumang emergency, hindi tayo nakahanda. At kung sa pagkakataon na yun, na kailangan mo nang idepensa ang iyong pamilya, ang iyong kapatid, ang iyong magulang, paano na?
Well said lahat yung sinabi ni chairman natin. That these things are only normal or not normal, but temporary. These are only temporary, gentlemen and ladies.
Colonel, our Commandant, Colonel Eliezer Argala.
Thank you.